2 rules. Don't skip leg day and don't skip Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna show you how to make an insanely easy chicken taco recipe that will turn your boring Tuesday into a Taco Tuesday. Or Wednesday. So we're gonna add some oil to a large skillet over medium heat. I'm gonna add in some sliced up chicken breasts, throw those right in there. Cook it till it's no longer pink. It'll take about 3 to 5 minutes. Now my chicken's cooked, let's add our flavor. All we need is 1 package of McCormick taco seasoning mix. Right into other ingredients. I'm gonna throw it right on top of our chicken there. That taco seasoning is what's gonna give it that really full, hearty flavor we're looking for. So I'm gonna add some water. It's gonna turn this ordinary chicken into a fiesta of flavor. I like that. Fiesta of flavor. I've gotta be the first person who said that. Let that water cook down. We're gonna turn it into a nice little sauce over top of the chicken. It's gonna come to a boil. We'll reduce the heat to low and then let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is cooked all the way through. We're gonna let all the taco seasoning mix do all the hard work. So that's done. Turn that off right there. Now you can use flat corn tortillas, flour tortillas. You can use hard taco shells, whatever floats your taco boat. I personally prefer tostadas. Take one of our tostadas here, get a nice bed of lettuce going on right there. Take some chicken, right there. Now personally, I'm partial to a little pico de gallo, fresh pico right on top, and some guac. Ooh, nice. Top it off with some fresh cilantro, gives it a nice fresh flavor. And there you have it, delicious chicken tacos, or tostadas, on your plate in under 15 minutes. Talk about easy. Make sure to check out the Flavor Maker app. You'll find all the Flavor Maker videos and tons of delicious recipes. You can even scan your McCormick spices, add them to your digital spice rack, and create shopping lists. Plus, a ton of other cool features that I haven't even explored yet. Have fun cooking, guys.